Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is me, AGGYA, and in this video I'm going to show you an interesting project on third project of ESP32 Basic Starter Kit. Are you excited? So let's start. For this project we need ESP32 development board, PIR sensor, LCD display, breadboard, jumper wires, and buzzer. I have connected PIR sensor with ESP32, VCC with VN, out with digital pin 27, GND with GND. Then I have connected LCD with ESP32, GND with GND, VCC with VN, SDA with digital pin 21, SCL with digital pin 22. Then I have connected buzzer with ESP32, positive pin with digital pin 26, negative pin with GND. Now I am in Arduino IDE. I have already done coding. I will give the codes in description. So let's see the code. Here I have connected buzzer in digital pin 26, motion sensor in digital pin 27. Here first system will activate, and if there is no one or motion is not detected, LCD display will show no one detected. If some movement is detected by PIR sensor, LCD will display motion detected, alarm on, and buzzer makes sound for few seconds. Now I will show you the demonstration. Now I will upload the code. Now your code is successfully uploaded. Now you can see when I take my hand closer to PIR sensor, the buzzer makes sound for few seconds and display shows someone detected and alarm on, and when I release my hand from PIR sensor, the buzzer stops making sound and display shows no one detected, alarm off. Now I will demonstrate it again. Thank you for watching my video, and please do like, share, subscribe my channel. I'll be making more videos like this. Bye bye.